spring rolls noodle. In the previous video, I introduced how to make spring rolls. In this video, I guide to make spring roll noodle. I'm just repeating the key step of how to make spring roll. If you want to see the detail of spring roll, you can watch the previous video. The harmonious combination of fatty taste of meat, shrimp, taro, sweet and sour taste of pickle, fish sauce, little bite of lactose make the food as balanced as ginger. Ingredients including 1 carrot, 1 turnip. Okay, you can see the size. 1 carrot, 1 turnip. The taro, about 300 gram taro. You can buy in the supermarket where they peel off on the skin. And some chili, red onion, lemon, pepper, sugar powder, sugar, and salt. 400 gram fresh cream and but pork 700 gram. It's fresh noodle and rice paper. You buy this brand name bánh đa nêm rice paper. Some fish sauce, cooking oil, and wood ear mushroom, shrimp, peel off the skin and eliminate the head. Pork chopped into small pieces like this. Coconut milk mixed with white egg in water. Later we use that to cover outside. The yolk put in the ingredient, then mix all together. Stir evenly ingredient. Keep stirring. It's very colorful. Pork, shrimp, taro, carrot, wood ear mushroom, egg, the yolk, wet rice paper with the coconut or and white yolk, and turn back, and then put the ingredient in and fold up 1 time, 2 times, and then left over, right over, and then fold up again, and finish. When fry the spring roll, you need fill the saucepan with full oil. You need to fry, deeply fry. Now it's ready. How to do fish sauce to eat with spring roll noodle. My garlic and chili, and then put 100 milliliter fish sauce and 100 milliliter water and half là 3 tablespoons of sugar. You can have fish sauce.
Tương qua đặt thêm xong.
Some spring roll, actor, carrot, ready pickle, noodle, fish sauce. Then you can have spring roll noodle. It's very easy to make for family at weekend. This can be breakfast, lunch or dinner. Now ready. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like, you can subscribe and share.